Hey guys, welcome to Go Dany. Today, we're gonna make homemade shawarma, and it's delicious.
Hey guys, my name is Dany. My name is Dan. Dan. Period. Let's play together. Let's have fun. Come join me now and grow with Dan.
Guys, before we start cooking, I'm gonna add my little chef, Jason, Ben's chef. Okay, for the marinating sauce, which my mom already did, we did all the good stuff, like lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and pepper. And guys, for the ingredients, go look for the video's description. Let's do this. Set your oven for 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius, and then mix your chicken inside the marinating sauce.
And you're getting all my real hands.
Just keep mixing. It's fun, right?
Yeah, so fun. Oh, Dany, look, I got the jackpot.
Yeah, let's not swing that all over the place. Get a big onion and then cut it in half. Now, get a tray and then put an onion on the tray and then get 2 skewers. Jason, do you want to help? Here, give me one. No, you put the other one. Here, put the other one. Right there.
I can't reach.
Right here, okay?
Okay.
Move. There you go. Now, keep skewering your meat until you're out of meat. Now, get your other half of the onion, stick it on top, just like this. Now, we're gonna put it in the oven. You're probably gonna need a mom or a dad to help you put it in the oven for 1 hour. Hey guys, do you know what the difference is between shawarma and kabob? Let's discover it together. Shawarma is cut into very thin slices and then put on a skewer and rotates all day long. But kebab is cut into big shapes and with vegetables, just like barbecue, but on a skewer and it's grilled. So basically, the difference is how they're cooked. They're both cooked differently. Guys, the shawarma is out. And obviously, I couldn't cut it with a gigantic knife, so my mom did it for me. And tip, instead of using 1 onion, put another onion and put the 2 skewers in the 2 onions. Now, let's get wrapped. Welcome to the shawarma food stations. Let's begin. First, meat. Now, some pickles if you want. And then I made a special onion salad to put on top. Like that. Now the sauce. Now to fold. Just like this, guys. Guys, our shawarma recipe is done. Ta-da! I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.
We learned, we played, had lots of fun. Subscribe and like. My name is Dan!